Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your date of birth on Facebook. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the method I'll be showing you today is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2021, but if it does change, what I will do is put a link to the updated video at the top of the screen now. Obviously if nothing does come up, you know this is the most up-to-date way to do it. So to do this is actually quite simple. What we're going to do is open up a new internet browser and then come across to our Facebook page. You just want to make sure you're logged in. So once you're actually logged in, a lot of people think if you click onto the down arrow up here and you come down to settings, you can do it this way, which to be honest, I've not actually found it in this one. I mean, I've clicked on settings and you can see in general information, it's literally got general information, but it's nothing about changing my date of birth. So to actually do this, what you want to do is come back to your profile. So if you click onto your profile button up in the top right hand corner, and then if you just scroll down slightly, what's going to happen, you're going to see this one here which says edit profile, and then you just want to go and give that a click, and then choose the scroll bar on the right hand side to scroll down, and then you want to click at the bottom where it says edit your about info. So this is going to take you to your about information, and then from here what you're going to want to do is click on contact and basic info, which is in the menu on the left hand side down here, and then we're just going to scroll down slightly until we get to the basic info section. You can see here it's got my date of birth, and to actually edit this, what you're going to want to do is come to the right hand side next to your date of birth and go ahead and click this little pencil icon, and then from here you can actually go ahead and change your date of birth. Obviously you can change the settings as well to make it public or not public. And just a quick note that you can only edit your birthday a limited number of times, as it states down here at the bottom. And if you want to read more on that, there is a link you can click there where it says learn more. But yeah, basically once you've changed your date of birth, so say I changed it to the 1st, you're going to see it's going to come up with a box saying I confirm that I am 32 years old, or whichever age it is in your case. So what you want to do is just make sure you tick that box to confirm, and then you would go ahead and hit the save button down here. Obviously I'm not going to change that, I'm just going to leave mine as it is. But if you do make a change, you'll see the blue save button will come up and it will ask you to confirm your age. So you just tick the box and click save. But that's how you do it, so I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.